All right, well, you're watching that game, you're going to want something to eat, right? So how do you keep watching that game when your food is in the kitchen or vice versa? You just got to get everywhere you go. We got some great food for you lined up today here to eliminate that problem. Chef Anita Moore joining us in the Price Chopper Kitchen. What are we making today? Because it looks fantastic.
Well, everyone has a different name for it. Walking tacos, Frito pie. I just call it my old school lunchtime favorite, fall favorite, all in a bag.
Well, why is this the perfect food for football and for tailgate parties
Well, especially for tailgating at home, because us that host it, we don't get a lot of time.
That's right.
So your favorite chili recipe, this is my dad's. It could be made overnight, so the night before, and then all this can be prepared in just an instant. And then there's really no cleanup, because you don't need a bowl.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
We always use the liners in the crock pot, so you just pick that up, put it away, everything else in the trash, you're good to go. Watch the game.
Yeah, so you just take your chili, put it in the bag.
Well, here, let's start making it here, because I'm hungry. I've only been up since 2:45 this morning, so...
So you want to cut your bag lengthwise so it acts as a bowl.
Of course.
And then you just start piling stuff in.
All right, I'm going to go with, do you recommend 2 scoops of chili?
2.
2, okay.
Go
Minimum
big or
2?
Go home, yeah.
See, Anita, you're a chef after my heart, and my stomach, too. All right, here we go.
And then some of the offerings, you know, pretty much anything.
It's Sunday, you got to have offerings, right?
Yeah.
If you skip church, don't worry, we got your offerings here.
So we got some cheddar cheese, I got some pico, some green onion.
I'm a big fan of pico.
You know, get a little fancy with some avocado.
Oh, wow.
Spice it up a little, throw some jalapeno in there.
This is the second day this week we've had fresh cut jalapeno on the show. So
fresh is always better in my mind.
I agree 100%, and it looks better too. Got to put some of that on top. Got green onions. Now, how much should this weigh at the end of it? Because it's starting to get a little heavy here.
Well, you might be sleeping over at whoever's hosting the party.
That's right.
So.
And it's not because we had too much to drink. It's just because, you know, we got a lot of food in our bellies here.
Even though this does pair with a nice, strong lager or, you know, a Tank 7. So.
Chef, you're on the ball today. I really appreciate you being here. So we got to stop by and get some Tank 7 on the way home then.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And then you want to top it off with a little hot sauce. Give it a little extra kick. And there you go.
All right. So can we go ahead and try some here on the show?
Go ahead.
So we are getting ready to watch the Chiefs play the Jaguars. Of course, Patrick Mahomes is going to throw for about 500 yards in between the raindrops. Because he's that fast. You didn't know that? I'm not making this up.
He's pretty fast.
It's pretty quick here.
Throw, right?
Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. I spilled some.
There, I got you a napkin.
That's a 5-yard flag.
Penalty.
Klutzy eating, making a mess at the guest's house. So, all right. Well, thank you so much. Oh, that's fantastic. Now, I got a lot of that hot sauce. Now, I like hot sauce, but I'm not a big hot sauce fan. But that's the perfect amount. Do you have any recipe secrets for your chili, though? Because you said it's your dad's recipe?
Yeah, it is. It's just a 2-bean chili, his standard recipe. His secret is put a little sugar in it.
A little sugar in it?
A little sugar in it.
So I've had a secret that people put a little bit of maple syrup in it too.
Yeah,
that kicks it up with that sugary taste a little bit. It gets my kids to eat it too.
Okay, nice.
So, all right, well, those are great tips. Anita Moore, I appreciate it. I'm going to need a more chili here.